And that's it. We just made a game in 20 minutes or so, which shows you just how fast SpriteKit is. I even showed you how per pixel collision detection works, how to advance particle systems so they start life with some history behind them, how to run code repeatedly using timer, and how to adjust linear and angular damping so objects don't slow down over time. And remember, anyone can sit through a tutorial, but it takes actual work to remember what was taught. It's my job to make sure you take as much from these tutorials as possible, so I prepared another short review to help you check your learning. You can find a link to this on the main Hacking with Swift review page. Once again, it's time for your challenge. One of the best ways to learn is to write your own code as often as possible. So here are 3 ways you can put your newfound knowledge to use straight away to make sure you fully understand what's going on. First, stop the player from cheating by lifting their finger and tapping elsewhere. Try implementing touchesEnded to make it work. Second, make the timer start at 1 second, but then after 20 enemies have been made, subtract 0.1 seconds from it so it's triggered every 0.9 seconds. After making 20 more, subtract another 0.1, and so on. Please note, you should call invalidate on gameTimer before giving it a new value, otherwise you end up with multiple timers. And third, stop creating space debris after the player has died.